What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So I am starting off the week at Rite Aid, and I must warn you guys, I think I might be skipping out on CVS this week only because I have so much going on and I don't think I'm going to be able to make it out to CVS until possibly later on this week. I just have to focus on some things at the house and then, you know, like just get my house in order because it's kind of a mess right now. So I want to get my stockpile in order and all of that, so I might be skipping out this week at CVS. And I'm here at Rite Aid because this is super quick, guys. Like, I'm literally running in and out and the deal is super easy. So for starters, we are going to be using this in-ad coupon where you get $15 back in bonus cash when you spend $50. So now jumping into this deal, we are going to be grabbing 2 of these Tide liquids. You guys can grab Tide Pods, you guys can grab Gain Pods, any of the products that are priced $11.49. They are earned $2 in bonus cash when you buy 2 of these items. And then we have the $3 P&G coupons. I'm going to be getting the Gain Tide Pods, and then we have the $3 off one for the next item that we're grabbing is going to be Dove Men Body Wash. We are going to be grabbing 2 of these. They are priced $7.29 and they are buy one get one 50% off, and you will earn $2 in bonus cash when you buy 2 of these. Now lastly, we are going to be grabbing some Dove Body Wash. These are $9.49. Also buy one get one 50% off, and you will earn $2 in bonus cash when you buy 2 of these, and this is a limit of 2. So I'm going to be getting $4 back because I'm getting 2 Dove Men and then 2 of these Dove Women. Okay guys, here are the items in my cart. Now I'm doing 2 separate transactions, so ignore these over here. We're gonna do the breakdown using these Gain Pods, but remember, you can either get the liquid, you can get Tide Pods, whatever you guys want, but I'm getting, you know, whatever you guys want from the ones that are priced $11.49 and give you $2 back in bonus cash when you buy 2. So like I had mentioned, I'm getting 2 of the Gain Pods, and then I'm gonna get 2 Dove Men Body Wash and 2 Women. And I completely forgot, guys, I need to give a full credit to Sacktown Couponer. I've mentioned her a plenty of times, guys. She is awesome when it comes to Rite Aid breakdowns, and she posts them a couple of days before the deals go live. So that's why I ran here, because her breakdown helped me just get what I needed, get the coupons, and I'm gonna head out now. So make sure you guys give her a follow on Instagram because she's really great when it comes down to these Rite Aid breakdowns. Now I'm gonna show you guys the coupons I'm gonna be using. It's gonna be 2 buy one get one free for the Dove and the Dove Men and Dove Women Body Wash, and then $3 off one for the Gain Pods. Full scenario, we have the Dove Men at $7.99 and we're going to be getting that one half off. So it's going to be $3.99 for that one, plus the Dove Women, which is $9.49, and that is going to bring us to $13.48. And since we are getting 4, we're getting 2 and 2, it's going to be times 2, bringing us to $26.97 plus $11.94 times 2. That is going to bring us to $50.85. Now we are going to subtract the Dove BOGO coupons. If it takes off the max value, which is $6 max value on each coupon, that's going to be minus 12, minus $6 for the Gain, and that's going to bring us down to $32.85. We are then going to get $15 in bonus cash. We are going to get $2 back for the Gain, and then $4 for the Dove. So that is going to make it $11.87 for our 6 items, which is going to be $1.97 each. So that's a couple of cents higher than Sacktown's Couponer's breakdown, but let's fingers crossed everything goes as planned. I'm gonna go check out and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Alright guys, I am home and it went horribly wrong. It went so bad, guys, so bad. I don't even know if it went so bad, but all the coupons worked. The Dove coupons worked perfectly great. The Gain Pod coupons worked perfectly fine. So coupon wise, everything went great, other than that 15 off. Not 15, you get the $15 in bonus cash when you spend 50. Yeah, I didn't get those $15 in bonus cash. Now this is my fault though. Like, I can't blame anyone but myself, because I did follow Sacktown Couponer's breakdown, but I didn't double check it myself, and then I did the miscalculation of the Dove body wash. I said it was $7.99, the men one, but it was $7.29. But I don't know, I thought $7.99 because that's how much it is at CVS. So I said $7.99, but it's $7.29. So that was one thing. And then because I did the calculation that the Dove Men was going to be the half price, because remember the sale is buy one get one 50% off, so I thought the Dove Men was going to be 50% off, but no guys, it did not work out that way. So what ended up happening was, I originally thought that, you know, I bought one of these, I was gonna get the Dove Men half price, because we bought 4 of them, right? We bought 2 of the women and then 2 of the men. So I thought we were gonna get these full price, the Dove Women, and then the Dove Men I thought we were gonna get half price, but it didn't work out that way. We got 1 Dove Women regular price, and then the other one 50% off, and one Dove Men regular price and the other one 50% off. So that threw the whole breakdown off. And not only that, but the deduction of the coupon wasn't $6. One of them came off $6 because this one is over, you know, over the max value for the coupon, but this one, it only took off the half price of one of them, which was $4.79. So that's, you know, throwing one thing off. And just because of those miscalculations, I did not reach the $50 mark. Normally the cashier is supposed to tell you. When you scan that $15 bonus cash when you spend $50, it tells you how much you need to get to the limit. Well, she looked like a new cashier. She looked completely new. She looked completely lost. So then she didn't tell me that I wasn't at the mark. And when I did the math, like once I saw my receipt and I was like I'm missing the $15, I was off by like 94 cents. So I could have grabbed a bag of chips and I would have got my $15 back in bonus cash, and then, you know, this deal would have worked out fine. So that's the only thing that threw it off, was that the breakdown was a little off by a couple of cents, and then I didn't get the bonus cash. So I'm gonna show you guys my receipt. I'm just so like, it's so not upsetting, but it was just like, I wish it would have worked out fine. I wish I would have like double checked my math, and you know, everything would have worked out great. So I made the mistake for you guys, so you guys won't have to make this mistake. But if you guys do this deal, everything should work out great. So here I'm going to show you guys the receipt, and this one's the one with the Gain Pods and then the Dove. That was my subtotal, and I only got $6 back in extra bucks, but I was supposed to get back 21. I'm missing that $15 extra buck. So if you guys do this deal and you're doing this breakdown, I'm going to have a Google Doc in the description. I originally wasn't, because I was like, you guys can just follow the Sacktown couponers breakdown, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do a Google Doc with the correct math of what everything's gonna come out to. Because remember, one of the Dove Men is $7.29, and then the half price one only came out to $3.64. The Dove Women one here, you can see it was full price and then it took the half price. And then for the coupon deduction, for one of the Dove, it only took off $3.64 opposed to the full max value of $6. So I'm gonna have a full breakdown there. I'm gonna add in the breakdown in the Google Doc description of the breakdown to grab a filler item, because you guys will need to grab something, a couple of cents, you know, something like $1 worth to get you to that $50 mark, so you can get your $15 in bonus cash and not only $6. You're gonna get 21 back in bonus cash, not just $6, guys. So make sure you grab, you know, past the $50 mark. That way you get everything. But like I said, I'm here to make the mistakes for you guys, so you guys won't make them. So let me know in the comments if you guys end up doing this deal and if it goes so much better for you. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call the customer service number. I'm gonna see if I can get the bonus cash back. If not, I'm going back to the store and I'm gonna return all of this, because it would be like around 20 bucks for all of this, and that is not going to be okay. So hopefully I can call customer service and they'll give me the $15 in bonus cash added to my account. If not, we're just going to return it and maybe try to do it again. We'll see how it goes. But all right, guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think of this deal. And I have my CRTs. I went to go get my CRTs, guys. So hopefully I can make up a plan and go to CVS later tonight. But like I said, I'm feeling kind of out of it. I'm feeling under the weather. My house is a little bit of a mess and I kind of want to get to that. So don't hold me to it, but I will try to go to CVS later on this week. I am sorry, guys, but if I'm able to get my house in order and get everything in order, I feel like it'll just ease my mind and I will be able to do like my breakdowns so much better, opposed to like what happened now, because I like feel so flustered with like everything else going on. So we'll see if we get to CVS this week. But all right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.